You have just now registered for the Micro Strand Technology personalized website. Here's what I mean by personalized website. You're going to choose the name of the website. It could be your own name, it could be a professional name, and you're going to choose the email you want to put in there and your phone number / text. So anybody that you share this website with, they're going to contact you directly. Now, here's how to get the website. To get the website, it's absolutely free. You have to go through a 1-hour training. Reason? You're a professional. We want to make sure you're thoroughly trained. There's no charge for the training. We want to make sure you're thoroughly trained on this technology so you understand it very clearly and you can answer questions. Now, even though within this personalized Micro Strand technology website, there's a video in there. There's diagrams. It's going to show the client everything and fully educate them. Although you're a professional, you have to know a little bit more. So that's why you have to go through this 1-hour training. Now, I'm going to tell you what you get with the free personalized Micro Strand technology website. When someone buys one of these microstrands from you, you don't make any money on the actual microstrand, although you make money on the service, whatever you want to charge. The client's going to have to come back to you at least once a month. They could come back to you every week if they wanted to, but at least somewhere around once a month, all right? And when they come back, then you're going to charge them your service charge. And that could be $50 an hour, it could be $200 an hour. That's entirely up to you what you want to charge for the service. So this is going to build up a big clientele for you because this is a revolutionary breakthrough and clients are going to come back to you for service. So you're going to get a lot out of getting this free personalized Micro Strand technology website. Now, within the training, the 1-hour training, there's going to be an upgrade option. You don't have to take it, but nevertheless, it's going to be there. If you take the upgraded option, then you're going to make 50% on what they purchase, plus whatever you charge them for the service. So it's going to be a lot more beneficial to you, although you don't have to take it. That's totally up to you, all right? So either way, we want to make sure you go through the training. Now, here's how you get the personalized Micro Strand technology website. When you go through the training, at the end of the training, you're going to have to go to the checkout page, as if you're buying something, but you don't have to. It's still free. When you go to the checkout page, there's going to be a button that says no thanks. Just press the no thanks button and you'll get your free Micro Strand technology personalized website. Absolutely free. Although, if you want to upgrade, you have that option at that point to upgrade. Now, to go to this 1-hour training, you're going to notice below there's 2 dates. You just select the date of the training you want to attend, and then you'll attend that date. And as long as you go through the hour training and then click on no thanks at the checkout page, you will receive your personalized Micro Strand technology website. And also, either way, you're going to get full support. If you need us for any reason, you get full support. You can always contact us because our objective is we want to get this technology out more throughout the world. So thank you, and I wish you the best.